Alrighty, here is our second one. Here it is called the Griddle Accessory Kit. Again, this one's from Temu. This could be used for your all your outdoor grills, but got a couple squirt bottles, got some salt and pepper shakers, a little scrubber, basting brush. Oh, okay. Cooking lid, so you can steam something with it. Carry-all bag, grill on the go. Got a little scraper, dough scraper, and you got some spatulas. Now I like these spatulas for when you're making ground beef tacos or something like that, or chicken sandwiches or something. You can just chop everything up and put it in there. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, got another spatula or another scraper. And okay, there you go. For the steaks, push that down like that, make some grill lines on the steaks. That's a nice little accessory for someone to start out with that's just starting out barbecuing. It's a great gift for them. Gets their feet wet into the barbecue world. And again, it's not that expensive. They seem like fairly good products. I like them. Oh, and we got a couple of oh, that's cute. That's a little heart. This is for making making eggs, or you can make you can make yourself little baby heart-shaped pancakes. That's so cute. You'll never catch me making heart-shaped pancakes. But yeah. But anyhow, guys, this is awesome from Temu. Like I said, it's a great little accessory, and you got, like I said, you got your little travel bag. So barbecue on the go. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. But do me a favor, guys. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Until next time, God bless and happy eats.